Yadna, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You top in Shapur and you are from our school scored 97.6%,
Yeah.
and we are very happy and proud of you. Can you share the secret of your success to our juniors?
Yeah. The success is not any portion that you get, but it's the sheer hard work, dedication, and consistency that you do in your studies.
Okay, great. In this achievement, what was your parents' role and how did they help you?
My parents, if I say that I paid my 100% in my success, but they paid their 200%. I would specially like to thank my mother because she paid a lot of attention towards me. Whenever I studied, she was always with me, and also my father who always motivated me.
Okay, that's wonderful. Along with parents, what is your observation that which teacher helped you a lot and how?
I would specially like to thank Sweetie teacher. She motivated me a lot, and I scored and did really well in a subject that is SST and English. I would also like to thank my language teacher, Lalita teacher, Rupali teacher for that.
Wonderful, thank you. And what is your message to your juniors?
I would like to say to all my juniors who are preparing for 10th boards now, I would like to say them that it's not about just studying 2-3 months before the board examination, but it's all about consistency. You should be consistent with your studies and honest with yourself.
Wonderful. And what is your future goal? Would you share to us?
I would like to share my future goal. That is, I'm currently focusing on commerce, and I would like to take up the civil services, and I'm also thinking of pursuing law in my future.
Okay. Would you like to say some changes we have done in few months?
Yeah, I would like to share my experience that our school has really developed in upcoming this year also. This academic year was really wonderful, and this journey was truly beautiful also with you, sir.
Thank you.
And many beautiful changes are made. Also, the extracurricular activities in our school they are really mind freshing.
Thank you. We are very proud of you that this year, along with her, there are 10 students scored A1 out of 41 students. And that is the achievement of our students and our teachers, and especially their parents who worked day and night and gave this wonderful result. We are proud of you and wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Thank you.
First of all, congratulations, Yadnya, for your ICT subjects. You scored very good marks. Okay, I want to ask you some questions. How did you prepare for ICT subject? ICT was a bit challenging subject for me, as I didn't prepare the whole year for IT. But I chose the smart study trick for the IT. Means I took out some loopholes in the previous year question papers from the IT, and which I studied them thoroughly. I practiced the PYQs and found some loopholes which I focused on. Okay, which were the easiest topic for you in ICT subjects? For me, the practicals were easier in the ICT because it is all about doing the applying your knowledge. So I focused on that, gaining my 50 marks in practical. And for the theory subjects, the communication skills and entrepreneurship was my strong topic. Okay, which were the hard topics for you, and how did you overcome that? For me, the difficult ones were the DBMS system or the coding, etc. So for that, I majorly focused on the practical knowledge. I applied that in my theory subjects also, and I found out some that many are the most repeating chapters or the topics. Which are in 9th standard also. Yeah. Okay. What tips will you give to our juniors 9th standards now, which are pursuing for 10th standard? I would like to say that to all my juniors that ICT is a really scoring subject, and as I got 100 on 100 in IT, it's very easy subject. Though I didn't study it a lot, it's not time taking subject, so you can score full marks in IT. Okay, thank you, Yadnya, for your sharing this much experience. Thank you, thank you. Hello everyone. RF Damani School welcomes you, and here with us one of the brightest star who achieved 97.60% and achieved the board examinations top ranker student is there, and I would like to congratulate for her bright career as well as her bright achievement. So, congratulations, Yagna, for your good achievement and excellent achievement in all the subjects. So, I would like to ask about the English is one of the most scoring subjects, and you could achieve it out of what challenges you face in writing skill, grammar, and literature and English. Okay, the English was my one of the most scoring subjects, and I did really very well in English. Also, my teacher was very supportive. Thanks to her. I especially feel that writing skills was one of the most scoring subject, but you need to practice a lot for that. So writing skills, I have to practice daily 5 writing skills in my sample papers, PYQs. I have to do that. Also, along with the literature, our self-prepared notes and understanding is very important for that. Yeah, very well done. You prepared a lot, no doubt. The teachers behind you, also the guiding path for you. But after all, you need to lead on that path, and you achieved it and did it. Now, the one of the most important for the social science is also the scoring subject, and you did it well in the social science too. And how you prepared for the studies and other lacunas which you feel about it. The social studies was my most favorite subject, and it is really a huge vast syllabus is there. 4 subjects are included in it, and also this year the pattern was changed, which was bit challenging for every one of us. So we have to focus on that, the practice solving, and most important thing is in SST we have to make our self-prepared notes. All the understanding of each and every chapter, each and every line of NCERT should be thoroughly read, and that was the key feature which led me to score 99 in my SST. Yeah, that's true, and it's really a good deed for you. And really, the social study was really challenging, as well as what we see around us, that we study and that we present in the paper. Yes, well done, you did well done in all the subjects. Once again, congratulations. RS Damani School congratulates you.
सबसे पहले शानदार सफलता के लिए हार्दिक बधाई। और अपने जो सफलता मिला है उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे?
मेरी ये जो सफलता है वो सिर्फ मेरे अकेले की नहीं, साथ ही मैंने जो पढ़ाई की है वो सारी काम में आई, लेकिन मेरे सारे शिक्षक और सारे अध्यापक उन्होंने भी मुझे बहुत सहकारी की।
हिंदी की पढ़ाई के लिए तुमने कौन सी रणनीति अपनाई?
हिंदी मेरे लिए सबसे कठिन विषय था और हिंदी में मैंने सबसे ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस की है। हिंदी के लिए मैंने खास तौर पर ध्यान दिया वो मेरे जो लेखन का भाव होता है, निबंध पत्र, इन पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारी जो खुद की क्षमता है वो हमें समझती है कि हम कितना खुद से लिख पाते हैं, तो मैंने उस पर ज्यादा ध्यान दिया। साथ ही जो पाठ है, कविताएं हैं, उनका ना कि केवल ऐसे रट्टा मारकर नहीं, परंतु पूरा सारांश समझ के पढ़ाई की, और साथ ही वो सैंपल पेपर्स वगैरह सॉल्व।
ओके। हिंदी का जो व्याकरण है वो मजबूत करने के लिए तुमने क्या किया?
हिंदी का व्याकरण वैसे तो सरल है, क्योंकि हमें सबसे ज्यादा करनी पड़ती है वो होती है प्रैक्टिस, क्योंकि व्याकरण में हमें एग्जाम्पल्स, उदाहरण आते हैं, और उनके लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण प्रैक्टिस।
और जो हिंदी का पेपर तुमने जो कवर किया है समय पर, वो किस तरह से, और जो हमारे जूनियर जो छात्र आने वाले अभी 10वीं कक्षा में जो आने वाले, तो उन्हें क्या सलाह दोगे, किस तरह से पेपर कवर करना?
हिंदी का जो पेपर है वो एक भाषा विषय है और उसके कारण वो बड़ा ही लंबा होता है और अधिक समय लेता है। इसके लिए समय मैनेज करने के लिए मैंने पहले बहुत सारे पेपर और क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस की, घर पे ही टाइम लगाकर सॉल्व करना, इससे मुझे मदद हुई।
और जैसे कि तुम्हें हिंदी सब्जेक्ट यानी हिंदी सब्जेक्ट में तुमने इतने अच्छे अंक लाए, तो जो दूसरे बच्चे हमारे जो 10वीं कक्षा के, तो उन्हें किस तरह से मेहनत करने के लिए क्या कहोगे?
जो अभी 10वीं के लिए बच्चे गए हैं उनके लिए यही कहूंगी कि हिंदी एक भाषा विषय है और इसमें हमें रुचि लेनी चाहिए, ना कि उसे बोरियत से हमें बाद में करेंगे ऐसा कह के निकाल लेना चाहिए। हिंदी में बहुत अच्छे हम अंक प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। बस इसके लिए हमें जो चाहिए वो है बहुत डेडिकेशन, हमें अच्छी पढ़ाई करनी है और प्रतिदिन थोड़ा थोड़ा करना चाहिए।
धन्यवाद और फिर से एक बार बधाई।
थैंक यू।
Hello everyone. First of all, congratulations Yadnya.
Thank you.
I'm very happy here to tell you that RS Damani, first anchor, is with us now, and she is here. I want to ask some questions to her. Yadnya, how you manage your studies?
I managed it along with my school. All the teachers were so helpful, and with the help of my family and friends, I did it very well.
What was your timetable during this whole year?
It was not really a fixed timetable. It was bit clashing with the school prelims and my tuitions and self-study. We have to all manage that things, and it was different for different months. Like in the May, it was studying for long hours because it was vacation time. Then during examinations, I studied for 2 to 3 hours daily, and afterwards, I was just focusing on my paper solving and sample papers.
Okay, now I want to move towards very difficult questions. That how you manage that toughest subject? Actually, which was your toughest subject, and how you tackle that subject?
Honestly, to me, the toughest subject was Hindi and IT. And in Hindi, Lalita teacher helped me a lot. All my teachers and all the practice papers and all, it helped me in Hindi. And also for IT, which is a practical subject, the practical knowledge helped me a lot, which led me to score of 100 on 100 in IT and 99 in Hindi.
Okay, very good. Now, what was your future plan?
My future plans are I'm focusing in commerce field, not a typical topper type like NEET or JEE. I'm focusing in my civil services. I have interest in civil services, and I'm also focusing on doing law in further studies.
Okay, can you say some few words for our 9th 10th students?
Yeah, I would like to say my juniors that please stay dedicated throughout those 2 years. They are very important in deciding your future, and you should be dedicated not just doing studies but also extracurricular activities. Indulge yourself in various activities, all subjects, and focus equally. And I would like to say that this journey was very beautiful than the success I've achieved. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
जे मार्क्स मिळाले 98 पॉईंट हे खूप मोठं यश आहे. तू ते एवढी मोठी अचिव्हमेंट म्हणजे करण्यासाठी कसा अभ्यास केला?
अभ्यास म्हणजे असं काही स्पेशली वेगळा अभ्यास नाही, पण आपण जे रोजचं असतं शाळेतला अभ्यास, ट्युशन आणि थोडासा सेल्फ स्टडी साठी काढलेला वेळ, म्हणजे दररोज 1-2 तास किंवा 2-3 तास किंवा सुट्टीच्या दिवशी थोडा जास्त वेळ, हेच करून मी
तू रायटिंग पार्ट जो होता निबंध पत्र याची तयारी कशी केली?
रायटिंग पार्ट साठी मी PYQ, सॅम्पल पेपर्स आणि रोजची रायटिंग स्किल्सची प्रॅक्टिस आणि फॉर्मॅट सर्वात जास्त महत्वाचा असतो त्यावर जास्त लक्ष देतो.
जो पूर्ण पेपर आपला 3 तासामध्ये व्हायला पाहिजे 80 मार्क्स, तर त्याची प्रॅक्टिस कशी केली? टाइम मॅनेजमेंट कसं केलं?
मी म्हणजे माझा सिलेबस जसा डिसेंबर-नोव्हेंबर मध्ये कम्प्लीट झाला, त्यानंतर मग मी जानेवारी-फेब्रुवारी पासून माझे पेपर सॉल्विंग चालू केले. आणि घरीच आपण स्वतःशी जर प्रामाणिक राहिलो आणि आपण स्वतःहूनच जर 3 तासाचा टायमर लावून पेपर जर पूर्ण होतो, तर बोर्डात आपल्याला असं कोणत्याही प्रकारचा प्रेशर येत नाही. त्यामुळे टाइम मॅनेजमेंट व्यवस्थित.
तुला पडलेलं जे यश आहे, तू मार्क जे मिळवले ते खूप मोठे आहेत, तर तू तुझ्यासाठी ज्युनियरसाठी त्यांना काय टिप देशील किंवा त्यांनी कसा अभ्यास करावा? अजून काही?
मी माझ्या ज्युनियर्सला इतकंच सांगेल की जे काही कराल ते आपण स्वतःशी प्रामाणिक राहून केलं पाहिजे. फक्त आपले शिक्षक सांगतायत, आई वडील सांगतायत म्हणून करण्यापेक्षा स्वतःची मनापासून इच्छा असेल तर आपण नक्कीच करू शकतो.
खूप छान. पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन. छान.